Hey, my fellow entrepreneurs, it's Alex from Business Rocket, and today we're going to go over the cost of a California LLC. How much does it cost to create the company, and how much does it cost to manage the company in California? So we're going to go over this video only the hard costs and the government fees for associated with creating a California LLC. We're not going to go over the professional fees such as lawyer fees or accountant fees. We'll make a separate video for that, and we'll go into detail about how much certain things should cost. This video is going to be going over the exact hard costs of owning a California LLC. So first, to register the company in California, it costs $70. That's going to get you the articles of organization in the state of California. There is a $6 certified copy fee, and we strongly suggest getting that. Now, once the company is registered, the first thing you have to do is in 90 days, there's a statement of information. The good thing is that in California, a statement of information for an LLC is due once every 2 years. But the first one is due 90 days after the company has been created. So once you've filed your company, it's open. Remember that to file a statement of information in 90 days, and then after that, once every 2 years. The statement of information is a very basic report that covers the basic information about your company, such as what does the company do, where is the company located, who owns the business. That's about it. Now, the cool thing is that if you didn't create your company through Business Rocket, you did it yourself, or you did it through another company, you can still register with us, and our platform will help you for free to let you know when things are due, and so you can file it. And if you want to hire us to do it for you, we'll gladly help you as well. So now that you've registered your company and you also filed your annual report, the last thing you have to do in California is something called the annual franchise tax. This is basically a minimum tax payment that your LLC has to do every single year. The minimum is $800 and is technically due 4 months and 15 days after you've created your company, and is due April 15th every year thereafter. However, I strongly suggest paying this fee when you're doing your taxes. Don't pay it right away. Pay it when you're actually filing your taxes, because in that situation, you're going to know if you're planning to keep the company or not. A lot of people pay this fee very early, and then they end up having to close the company down, and it's kind of just wasted money. We strongly suggest paying this money when you filed your taxes and you know what's going on with your business, and now you're going to be kind of preparing for the year forward. Pay that fee at that point in time. If your company is running and you're making money, definitely pay the fee on time. But if you're not certain, you haven't started generating income yet, or you're not sure what you're doing with the business, definitely wait on paying this fee and do it when you're doing your tax reporting. So hopefully this information was helpful. Let's quickly brief and review what we talked about. To open the company, it's $76 along with the certified copy fee. An annual report in the first 90 days is $26, and there's an annual franchise tax fee, which is $800, but it's not due until you file your taxes. So hopefully this video is helpful. Leave a comment below, like this video, share it with your friends. We're going to try to make more content like this. Thank you so much. Till next time.